Sneezing got you down? Let's tackle it with some quick remedies. First up, stay prepared. Keep tissues handy to catch those sneezes and avoid spreading germs. Warm fluids like herbal tea can soothe your throat and reduce the urge to sneeze. Feeling dry? A humidifier adds moisture to the air, helping ease irritation in your nasal passages. Try a saline nasal rinse. It clears out allergens and keeps your nasal passages moist. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, try these remedies for quick relief. Thank you for watching our channel.